One mistake that silently killed rankings. Most people don't fail at SEO, they just do too much too early. When a website doesn't rank, the first reaction is change the content, update titles, and add more keywords. And it feels like you are fixing the things, but you might actually be slowing them down. In early stage, Google is not trying to rank your website. It is first trying to understand it, what your pages are about, how your pages are connected, and whether your site is consistent or not. Now imagine this, every time Google starts learning and you change everything again. So instead of building clarity, you are keep resetting the process. And that's why rankings appear, disappear, and move around. And it feels like SEO is not working. Early SEO don't need more action. It needs stability, consistency, and time to settle. Let your pages sit, let Google observe it, improve slowly, not constantly. Because SEO is not about doing more, it's about doing the right things at the right time. And sometimes doing less actually helps you rank faster.